What's up, guys? It is Brooke here, and I know my last video I said I was gonna do it this morning, but I was really busy. My cousin came around, and yeah, so sorry, but yeah. If your phone's like this, turn it this way and hit that red subscribe button and turn it gray. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you do it. Thank you so much if you did. If you didn't, bug off. So I know in my last video I said, and in the title, I would open this, which I am really excited to open. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Oh yeah, actually no, they weren't. Yeah, and don't worry about what I just said. But first, just to keep you entertained, well, not really entertained, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to put slime on its head. We have this, my slime that I did when I put the rest of my fidgets. I'm going to show the rest of my fidgets and my DIY fidgets. Whoa. Oh, and like this video and turn notifications on all so you know when I post. This is the slime. Yeah, it's really lovely. I love it. Oh yeah, let's put this on. Okay, let me spread it out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just put it down on here. Oh god. Oh yeah, if I get 1 more subscriber, then I'll go live. Just saying. I don't need to go on the carpet. I'm actually putting it, look. Oh, it ripped. But yeah, let me put that up. It's like a sea freight. Now let's whip it off. Don't let it go on my carpet. So let me put it back in. Did you hear that? That's funny. Okay, now the bit you've been waiting for about a whole 1 day. What is inside this? Let's shake it. I weren't expecting that, but we got a little baby. It had babies. Congratulations, mommy. You had babies. That was just a program I watched that when I was a baby. But anyways, time for reveal. Wait, before I open it, have you subscribed? Let me see. No, you haven't. Oh. Like this video, please. That really helped me and changed my life. Okay, fine. What you've been waiting for now. I saw a blue and purple thing. Okay, so I have a snake. That's pretty rare. It's ultra rare. I call it ultra rare, but it might not. Then we have a puppet. My absolute fave carpet. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I really hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video, which is going to be in a couple of minutes, which is basically washing all my puppets. This is part 1. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.